Battalion-Relief. Fall in now, get a move on. Curse the rain. We splash away along the straggling village, out to the flat, rich country green with June. And sunset flares across wet crops and tillage, blazing with splendour-patches. Harvest soon up in the line. Perhaps the war'll be done by Christmas time. Keep smiling then, old son. Here's the canal. It's dusk. We cross the bridge. Lead on there by platoons. The lines aglare with shell fire through the poplars. Distant rattle of rifles and machine guns. Fritz is there. Christ, ain't it lively, Sergeant? Is to battle? More rain. The lightning blinks and thunder rumbles. There's overhead artillery. Some chap grumbles. What's all this mob by the crossroad? The guides. Lead on with number 1. And off they go. 3-minute intervals. Poor blundering files, sweating and blindly burdened. Who's to know if death will catch them in those 2 dark miles? More rain. Lead on, headquarters. That's the lot. Who's that? Oh, Sergeant Major. Don't get shot. And tell me, have we won this war or not?